As promised y'all, I said that I was going to share some ideas with y'all for the one sheet pan meal, because I just think it'll be a perfect fit for you folks out there, you men and women that's short on time. So this is a good one. It's going to be smoked sausage, which I love smoked sausage, fresh broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and an apple. So the first thing we're going to do is take our Brussels sprouts that we've cut in two. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of water, and we're going to put it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes to soften it up, because even though these are little, they're hard as rocks. And they're going to need a little help getting tender. So 3 to 4 minutes, y'all. So while our Brussels sprouts are getting soft, I'm going to slice up a pink lady apple. I just love little pink ladies. And the recipe may tell you to chop, but I'm just gonna slice it, because I'm afraid if I chop it, it might just, cook to mush. So I'm gonna have to get a little paring knife. That knife's a little big for me to handle. So no need peeling or anything, just core it. Like I said, I love a pink lady. And they were on sale this week at the grocery store, so nice little bonus. Once in a while, you get a bonus. Okie doke. Now we're going to take our honey. I'm going to take our apple back out for a minute. I'm going to take some honey. And I'm going to mix it with a tablespoon of a spicy mustard. Why are these tops giving me such problems lately? I don't get it. So anyway, I'm just going to unscrew it and get us about a tablespoon out. Mix that together. Okay, I hear our microwave chirping at us, so I'm going to go get that out of the microwave, and we'll be ready to toss. All right, I think that's tender enough. It's certainly hot. Look, pretty and green. You can see the steam coming off of this. Okay. All right, now how much olive oil? I can't remember about that. Just a tablespoon. All right. There we go. Just mix those up real good. And then I'm going to take our apples and our Brussels sprouts and toss them in that sweet tangy mustard and honey sauce. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Maybe a smidgen more. I think I'm going to put some cracked pepper on it. I really do like cracked pepper. For some reason, it's not as hot. All right. Gonna add our apples and make sure they're nice and coated as well. Let's see. That's good. Good. All right. Onto the cookie sheet. This is going to be really, really tasty. I think y'all going to like it. And then depending on how many people you're serving, I think that probably would have served 4 people, but so easy peasy. I sprayed it with just a little of my olive oil spray, so that's what you see on the sausage. But those juices are going to go all in our Brussels sprouts and our apples. And again, add anything that you really, really like to it. I would probably, on a good day, I had some Vidalias. I probably like a Vidalia in there. Okay, I got our 1 cookie sheet meal in the oven at 425 for 25 minutes. It's going to be good. Look what we've got here. I love Brussels sprouts. And the apples. And see how the honey ran off of it and turned real dark like a syrup. This is wonderful. Wonderful. Piece of French bread and I am home. George, are you getting hungry again?
I'll taste something. I always taste something.
Okay.
That Brussels sprouts came out really soft.
That's because I cooked them in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. But I love when the little outside leaves get kind of charred. Oh, it's so good. And I can already pick up that flavor from the sausage.
You can take the apple to the bank, that's for sure.
Apple's good.
Apple goes to the bank.
Yeah. Oh. It's a wonderful combination.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I could do this.
Oh. That's why we're doing these, for people that like to feel like they're producing.
And Eddie, that's what it looks like at the end. Empty. Done. Gone.
Put more apples.
Delicious.
The apples and the pork are delicious together. Oh. So y'all get out your sheet pans because I'm coming up with some more stuff too. Listen to that. I love these little crisp edges of the Brussels.
Sheet pan recipe with shrimp.
Okay, we can do it.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy?
You just
Pan recipe with what?
shrimp.
Oh, we have one of those coming up.
Do you?
Yeah, that's so easy, but shrimp don't take a minute to cook,
Yeah,
so
fast.
you'll have to be. I'm stealing one more apple. Loving best dishes. Happy sheet pan in it. That would be hard for me to say fast.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.